Welcome to Royal Karbhar Arts, where creativity begins.
Where every color tells a story.
Skies that inspire. Landscapes filled with calmness. Every stroke becomes a moment of imagination.
Every stroke has a heartbeat.
Creativity shines brightest after dark. Art moves where your imagination flows. Let's move fast. Let's create faster.
Art isn't slow. It's alive. It moves. Watch a world appear in seconds. Color moves faster than thought.
Creation is impact. It hits you as it changed the life and make you happy and satisfied.